Hi guys, Theme Park Central here. Today we're here at Monk's Walk for our final Monk's Walk update of 2020. We'll probably do it later in the year after close season. But yeah, park opens in less than a week now, 6 days. I'll be there on the 4th of July. So we're just gonna have a little walk down Monk's Walk and see what we can see. Hopefully we'll get some ride testing. Oh, we're up on the bridge now. I'm with Matt Hill and MTV Max on YouTube. But yeah, let's keep walking down, cycling down, sorry, and have a little look. Okay, so we're here at the Rumba Rapids boats right now. We've got some without their bottom rings. Looks like they're over there. We've reached almost at the Rumba Rapids op booth, but yeah. Okay, so it looks like they've got boats on the Rumba Rapids lift hill, which sort of shows that there are boats in the water, so they are ready for opening. It looks like Rumba Rapids will be open on the 4th of July. So it looks like the Tetley teacups have got their teacups back on, because when I was last here, there were no teacups on Tetley teacups, but it looks like they've fitted them back on, they're not on the floor. Which is good, and it also looks like, if you look, they've got new plants, because it looks like that's in white shrink wrap and they yet to unwrap that. So yeah. Then line there, Mrs. Inferno, Thorpe Park B&M invert, looking really good. They may have taken some rope or something out of Blair Witch, I don't know. But it looks a little more visible now, Blair Witch. Hopefully that will be returning for Friday Nights 2020. But we can see the floodlights, cameras, speakers. But yeah, looking good. One of the Blair Witch floodlights are on, which wasn't on last time, which is interesting. All of the lights in the timber tug station. All of the lights are on, which is really weird. And there's obviously not reopening, confirmed in 2019. Rest in peace. Alright, so we have finished our walk down Monk's Walk. We're around at the entrance now. Annoyingly, Matt and Max both saw running. I managed to catch a quick glimpse of it, but didn't get anything on the camera, unfortunately. But thank you very much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video.